Well, my thought is, quite frankly, I don't know what else is there to say other than this proposed bill is a bad solution to a non-existent problem. India does not have a problem of uncontrolled demography. The total fertility rate, the TFR, has been declining consistently over the years, including in UP, where it should be around 3. This is based on data released by the government's Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. And as Dr. Mutreja says, we know what are the factors that reduce natality: access to healthcare and education, economic security, effective social service delivery, and so forth. Why do people produce a large number of children? It's to achieve the kind of economic security that social systems do not or have failed to provide over the years.
Right.
And these
Gilles, I
require
just want to
long-term
interrupt for a
investment.
minute because while you talk about the fertility rate, I just want to tell our viewers as well, the total fertility rate, just to get a UP context on this, all right? From 1996 to 2016 in UP alone, it dropped from 4.06 to 2.7, right?
Right.
When the India average in the same time period fell by only 0.7%. So this is telling you that the numbers are already on the decline. In fact, interestingly, in a Lancet report that came out, they made some predictions on where the population, not just in India but across the globe, will be going. Their prediction is actually very fascinating. They say that in 2017, India population is going to be about, they said 138 crore. 2048, 160 crore, it goes up. And then in the 2100, their prediction is that it will actually come down. It will come down by at least 32% and will be at 109 crore. And they've used several socio-economic indicators to make this analysis. Just can you just sort of lay down for our viewers simply on how is it that this analysis has been arrived at?
Yeah, and therefore the question is, what is the problem that this bill seeks to solve? There is a passage in the bill that's very telling, which is attempts would be made to ensure there is a population balance among various communities in the state. That alone tells you that this is not about tackling a general population problem, but to avoid what is perceived to be a fear of dilution of the majority community. The slogan "Hum do Humari Pachis" is still spread around, despite the fact that all those myths regarding minority groups, their demographics in India have been completely punctured. One can read Dr. Qureshi's recent book on the population myth, where he uses publicly available government data to burst completely those
Right.
myths
Let me
about
take that to Mr.
uncontrolled
Nambiar.
demography.